Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to speed up any Windows 10 times faster. So first of all, let's start with the basic ones. So the first method is to right click on the taskbar, click on the task manager here. Now you need to click on the startup section that you see right here. Now disable anything which is enabled. Now you can see Microsoft OneDrive is enabled, right click on it and click on disable. So you may have many programs here. You need to right click and you need to disable it so that your Windows can load faster. Okay, now the next thing that you need to do is the second one is to delete temporary files. Now press Windows R from the keyboard so it will open up run. Now you need to type in %temp%. Now it will take you to the temporary files location. Okay, now you need to press Ctrl A, then you need to right click and then you need to click on delete. Now it will delete some files and it will not delete some files. Okay, but most of the files will be deleted and it will free up a lot of space on your Windows. The third thing is to again press Windows R from here and type in services.msc. Now it will open up a small window called services. Scroll to the bottom of the window to find Windows automatic updates. Now you need to disable it. Okay, as you can see right now it is running. Right click on it, go to the properties here. Startup type is manual, click on disabled here. Now click on stop. Okay, now you can see services status is stopped. Click on apply here and click on OK here. So this is one of the ways how to disable the Windows automatic updates. So Windows has made it really difficult in order to stop this Windows automatic update. So I will tell you one more way to do it. Now go to Windows menu, go to the settings here. Now go to the internet, network and internet. Now as you can see, I am connected to internet through this network. Now click on change connection properties and make sure that metered connection is turned on. Okay, as you can see, metered connection is turned on. First thing. Now the next one, go to update and security here. Now scroll down and you will find advanced options. Click here. Now click on delivery optimization at the bottom. Now click on advanced option at the bottom. Okay, now here is a download setting. Limit how much bandwidth is used. Okay, so you need to set it for minimum like 5%. Normally it is set it at around 50% or something like that, but you need to set it around 5%. Okay, so these are the two ways through which you can stop Windows automatic updates. Okay, now we will move on to the fourth one, that is disable visual effects. For that, open up any folder and you can see this PC on the left hand side. Right click on it and click on properties here. Now go to the advanced system settings here. Now you will see performance as the first one. Click on settings. Now you can see adjust for best performance. You can click on that, or you can click on custom and you can remove all these things that you have inside this window. Okay, then you need to click on apply and you need to click on OK. It will change a little bit appearance of your Windows, but it will make it really faster. Okay, now the next one is to optimize your drives. So again use the Windows search bar here and type in Defragment and optimize drives. Okay, so it will come. Now you need to click on that. Now it will list all the drives that you have, and what you need to do is select every drive and click on optimize here. Okay, every drive and click on optimize. So it will optimize all the drives and it will make them faster. It will also remove the files which are not used, not your files, means the system generated files that are never used or are useless. Now the next one is to reduce runtime services. For that you need to click on Windows R and type in msconfig, that is msconfig. Again hit enter here. Now it will again open up a small window. Now you need to go to the services and you need to simply click this option, that is hide all Microsoft services. Click here. Now click on apply, then click on OK here. Okay, so this is that you need to do. Now the eighth one, that is turn off notifications. Okay, for that you need to go to the Windows menu, click on start here. Now go to the system here. Now from the left hand side options you will find notifications and actions as the third option. Click here. Now get notifications from apps and other senders. So most of the time it is not required, you can simply turn it off. Okay, and let me see if there is any other setting here. Okay, it is turned off. Now the next one is to clean up the internal memory. So for that again we will go to the settings here. Now again we need to go to the system here, and from here we need to go to the storage from the left hand side. Now the first thing that you can read it at the top is storage sense can automatically free up space by getting rid of files that you don't need, like temporary files and contents in your recycle bin. Okay, so we already deleted temporary files, but we have not deleted from the recycle bin, and there are many other places that we don't know. Okay, what you need to do is you need to simply turn it on. Okay, now it will delete all the spaces and it will get rid of files that we actually don't need, and they may be anywhere on your hard disk. Okay, now the next one is to uninstall programs. So go to the Windows search bar and type in control panel. Type in control, and control, you will open the control panel here. Now click on uninstall program at the bottom. Now there may be many programs that you don't use, so you need to check your list and you need to uninstall those programs from this list. Okay, so that it will free up space, and there are many programs which work in the background, so they will also stop. And the final thing, the final 10th one is to reset your Windows. For that you can go to the, so after all these 9 options, if your Windows is not running faster, then the last option is to reset your Windows. So go to the Windows start menu, click on settings. Now from here go to the update and security tab. Now from here click on the recovery tab here. Now the first option that you see is to reset this PC. So if PC is not running well, resetting it might help. So you need to click on get started, and there are 2 more options, advanced startup. Okay, then there is how to start with a clean installation of Windows. However, in most of the cases reset this PC option will works really well. Okay, so you can click on get started, and it will keep asking you few questions, whether to keep your files or not, or remove everything. Then it will reinstall the Windows. So these are the 10 ways through which you can make your Windows 10 times faster. So thank you for watching the video. Please like it and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.